Cek 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 1 2 3 cek. Cek cek 1 2 3 cek 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 1 1 2 2 3 3 cek. Oke, audio aman. Apa lagi ya? Info ya guys, kalau audionya nggak aman, bantu di chat aja. Oke, kita lanjutkan game yang nggak tahu sih susah apa enggak. Buat gue susah. Oke, kita kemarin aduh ngelek. Kemarin kita di sini stuck nih. Telegraph. Oke, kita coba lagi guys. IQ kerak nih.
I have to start every message with the code word. I saw the tank on the road, and the road is near the house. I guess I have to communicate something like that.
Oke. Kodenya apa? Lupa, Cok. Town on fire. Close. Town. Grafik busuk anjing. On fire. Oke, kita seperti akan menompo ya. Town on fire. Di apa? Dekat rumah ya? Gue lupa lagi. Ntar kita lihat chat aman nggak? Setting lu guys. Aman sih. Town on fire. Aman gak sih? Kok gue nggak tahu ya. Town on fire. Tank mana? Kan tadi ada. Kemarin kan ada tank ya. Fine. Tank near. Ya nggak sih? Salah. Tank ada di pinggir jalan. Tank road. Tank road. Apa ya? Aiku keracok gak bisa main telegraf anjing. Tank road near, di dekat, di dekat rumah. Dekat rumah tuh apa guys? Near house. Ntar ada yang WhatsApp. House over. Town on fire. Tank road near house over. Wih, hoki. Short press to send. Dot. Press and hold down briefly to send dash. Nah ini masalahnya adalah mouse gue sekali mencet itu jadi double klik. Mudah-mudahan tidak error ya.
Damn it.
Oke.
I got the length of the sound wrong. I'll try this word again from the
Cuk,
beginning.
salah cuk. Tekan titik. Tekan titik. Tekan titik. Wilma, hai bang, halo. Halo Wilma. Ada suaranya gak sih? Gue gak mau kejadian kayak kemarin gak ada suaranya. Titik. Strip. Titik. Underscore. Titik. Underscore. Titik. Titik. Underscore. Titik. Underscore. Titik. Underscore. 1, 2, 3 underscore titik 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 underscore. Anjay, hebat, mouse-nya nggak error. Anjing dibalas bro. Wah gelo. Ini ngebacanya gimana anjing? Wah, panjang gila. Bulan dibuat bulan apa, Bang? Apa ya? Nggak tahu deh. Bulan apa tuh? Wilma, aku nggak tahu. Wah, gila, panjang banget dibalesnya. Apa ini, Cok? Waduh. Select the words, pilih kata sesuai deskripsi pesan yang diterima. Apa cu? Titik 3. Nih dot nih. Titik 3. 1, 2, 3. Apa ya? Bentar. IQ kerak nih gue disuruh mikir. Satu, dua. Oh ini titik. Ya ini titik. Titik dua tuh S. Underscore ini. Underscore satu. Satu apa satu? Satu apa satu, Cok? Wah, gila. N mana N? Ini N. Satu, dua. SN. Bener lu. Wah, mikir lagi. Satu, dua, tiga. Satu, dua, tiga. Wah, ngaco. Satu, dua, tiga, des. Ntar ada WA, guys. Bulan dibuat bulan apa? Nggak tahu, Wilma, nggak tahu. Tolong ya, jangan bikin mikir. Ini udah mikir. Pusing. Mungkin bisa bantu. Apa sih? Ini titik. Ini dash. Titik tiga. Titik tiga tadi pertama S kan? S. Titik satu. Underscore satu. Oke. SRV. Net. Underscore. Titik underscore. Q. Defense. Bener guys. Titik underscore titik dash. Oke. Nggak ada L lagi. Underscore titik. Apa cok? Line. Underscore. Ini underscore. 1, 2. Ini underscore. Titik underscore. Berarti berawalan huruf O. OM. line nih M underscore oh iya nih dari sini kedua underscore oh bener guys underscore follow the dots or dash to get correct letter ini kan titik underscore titik 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 apa nih ini LSC ya L ada nggak live pusing titik 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 underscore underscore satu HIJK oh ini titik 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 LSC underscore titik titik oh iya live oh bukan ini beda tuh 2 3 V mana ini ada di sini nih V near titik 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 underscore titik 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 oke near gila aku kerak disuruh mikir near titik underscore titik 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 underscore titik 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 underscore titik 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 underscore titik titik oh bener kah gua nggak tahu bener apa nggak terus panjang lagi Syake apa ya near oh salah cuk near titik B mana B titik underscore titik titik bantu dong guys sambil lihat live chat nih gue yang bisa bantu yuk gue nggak salah kan nih titik underscore titik titik Building. Tadi ada yang bener deh. Coba tadi yang kita kelompat satu ini tadi apa? Tadi ini kan ini. Beside. Ah, beside. Apa ini? Receive net defense line map. Live near building beside. Coba kita asal ya. Kan bangunan udah. Di sini kata tempat itu cuma kota, jalan, di samping general. Ah, ini belum nih. River. Bener guys. Jangan bilang sungai deket rumah lagi. Live. Pusing cok. Oh, ini ada nih house.
No, something's wrong. Better try
Sa-
again.
Cok. Salah cok. Kita nge-cheat apa? Kita nge-cheat. Gue pusing. Kita cari. Oh, ada nih, ketemu. Save net defense. Net mana net? Udah ketemu, malah susah dicari. Apa cuk? Kok nggak ada nih? Udah nge-cheat nih. Grafik kali ya? Karena grafiknya kentang nggak kelihatan. Video. Udah ultra semua cuk. Aduh, harus mendekat gini kah? Oh, ini receive net. Kita nge-cheat lagi guys, kita cari. Net defensive. Defensive. Line. Map. Live. Live. Near. Tadi building mana di sini? Building. Beside. River.
that makes no sense.
Cuk, salah cuk. Apalah Ci? Salah Ci. Oke, ini udah nge-cheat nih. Nyari di Google. Kalau salah lagi keren sih. Reshift. Net. Defensive. Line map. Line map. Live near building. Live near building beside net defensive line map live near building beside apa cuk? Masih beside river
They are
over
asking
and
us
out.
to find a map on the
Oh.
defensive line.
Keren.
There is one in my father's study.
Oke. Terbantu guys, terima kasih Google. Terima kasih Google. Apa objektif terbaru? I must take photo of the map in the studio. Kita foto. Kita ke kamar bokap. Ah, ini dia. Out of focus. Kita terangin. Exposure-nya. Nah, segini nih.
That's it. Hopefully the image comes out clearly.
Objektif update. Mohon maaf nih. Tadi kan di dark room ada ibunya ya. Bisa nggak kita?
Dante's Inferno illustrated by Dore. Always hanging cheery things.
Gambar apa lagi? Masih ada emaknya nggak? Masih ada emaknya cuy, gimana nih?
Go to the dark room now. Not when she's around. I must stay as far away from her as possible. I could go to the cemetery instead to find out whether Martha really was pregnant or not.
Ini apa? Oh ini pompa cok.
Here's the bicycle pump.
S. Apa nih? The chariot fix the bike. Oke, kita berhasil. Nggak, pertanyaannya nih kemana? Ah, suruh naik sepeda. Terus? Lah, ada dua objektif. Kok gue bingung ya? Keluarnya lewat mana sepeda? Nggak bisa anjir. Eh. Ntar ini lewat mana sih? Muter kah manis ke belakang? Oh ini ngerem. Pusing cok. Kenapa begini bawa sepedanya? Kanan, kiri.
I can't ride here. Better walk on foot.
Gak bisa cuy lewat situ. Ntar mencari tahu dulu. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, ini ke hutan kemana lagi anjay? Pusing, pusing. Jalan satu-satunya lewat sini. Lewat sini sepeda nggak bisa. Kita balik aja lah ke atas. Ini gue ada yang kelewat ya. No hope anjing stuck. Bentar ini kemana? Suruh sini kah? Keluar rumah lurus terus kiri. Kita coba lagi, tapi kita nggak kesana. Kiri. Anjing maksa gini bro. Ada surat
Tuscans.
Tuscan.
Throughout Italy, the people are fighting against the German invaders.
Oke,
Over a third of
overthrow
Italy
the
has already
has
been
already been.
liberated from this loathed invader.
Oke.
We know that you are doing a lot to prevent the Germans from strengthening their power over you. The day of your liberation is approaching. Your freedom is
Freedom.
certain. Your region is of the utmost importance in this war of liberation. Hinder the Germans by refusing to cooperate with them in any way. Transport is essential for the German troops and their supplies. Your region is the center,
The center
of the
transport network
south of the
south of
Apennines.
Apennines.
The triangle of La Spezia, Florence, Livorno is of great importance to the Germans, and their hope to maintain a yoke over Italy.
Daily.
Tuscans, double your
Double your
efforts. The
efforts.
day of liberation is fast approaching. Unite and do your utmost to speed up your liberation.
Oke. Nggak tahu gua artinya. Artinya apa Bang Messi? Hah? Anjing, keren Stack Gaming. Cuk. Ya. Apa nih, ada bangunan?
According to Nanny, this was an old windmill. It has been abandoned for as long as I can remember, and it has always given me the creeps.
Hanya bangunan kosong. Apa objektifnya, Cok? Nggak tau lah anjir. Pusing. Nih gimana cara ngusirnya nih nyokapnya nih dari dark room? Serem juga ya, kayak ada orang nyapu. Kita baca-baca lagi guys ya. Bawa sepeda lurus terus. Nah ini ada objektif baru nih. Objektifnya nggak jelas, error kah anjir?
Martha is in the family crypt. That place is scary. I don't remember, but Nanny told me we used to go there when we were kids to see who was brave enough to go down the stairs. No one would ever go further than the first 2 steps. Now Martha's down there, alone. In the dark.
Oke.
She must
Neni pernah mengajak kita ke sini, tempat ini menakutkan. Oke, what's next? Masuk. Waduh, waduh, waduh.
The crypt is
Sekarang
here.
Martha ada dalam sini. The Crypt. Ini apa?
Not now. Let's hope the caretaker isn't around. That man gives me the creeps.
Cari seseorang yang bisa memberikan aku the Crypt. The Crypt ini apa?
This door is locked, but I must get in. Maybe I can find something around here to break the lock.
Balik lagi ke awal. Tadi harusnya udah bisa diambil. Kenapa nggak bisa? Biar sekalian. Ah,
These are perfect for breaking the lock. I should hurry before the caretaker comes back.
jangan bilang ada jump scare.
Enough. I
Cukup.
can't go on like this any longer.
Gua nggak bisa
How
pergi
long
seperti
has
ini
it
dengan
been
lama.
nothing happened? My
Gua
family was
marah
slaughtered by
dengan
these dirty Nazis.
apa yang terjadi dengan
My daughter
keluarga
wasn't even buried, and I had to bury that half-blood instead.
adik gue
An
dikubur.
Italian family that got cozy with the dirty Germans. Bastards, that's what they
Bastard,
are.
that's what they are.
What am I supposed to do with my life?
Apa yang harus gue lakukan
I
dengan
want
hidupku
to end
sekarang?
it, but not without taking a few Germans down with me.
Gue mau mengakhiri ini.
But you will hear about me.
Gue nggak
Long
bisa
live the resistance.
panjang
Viva
umur.
Italia.
Pertahanan.
Everyone takes a side. I find myself siding with my family, but I'm not sure whether it is right.
Kamera.
Instructions for the automatic telephone machine. For example, if you wish to call the number 0573, pick up the telephone from the hook and bring the receiver to your ear. You will hear a continuous tone. Firstly, place your index finger in the hole displaying the number 0. Turn the disc clockwise until it stops. Let the disc return freely to its resting position. Repeat the same steps for the numbers
5,
5,
7, 3. What's next? Nggak ada. Jangan bilang jump scare. Udah kan? Nothing happen. Lima tujuh tiga. Ya nggak sih? Cuk, ayunannya gerak, cuk. Adjustment, kan katanya film infrared bisa nangkep hantu. F8. Gelap banget 56. Sepersa Infinity aja, free focus.
Ah, the old swing chair. It has been here for as long as I can remember. I miss those days so much.
Apa selanjutnya, bro? The Crypt. We have a family crypt. The cemetery nearby. Oh, di makam lagi, cuk. Astaga, balik lagi. Oke, udah di makam. Kita masuk. Surat. Oh ini cok kunci. Bukan buat kesini. Kesini. Ih takutnya ke makam. Waduh.
I can see why we were scared as children. It's a rather gloomy place.
Waduh, sensor nggak nih? Ada gambar kayak gini. Waduh, waduh, buka makam. Takutnya. Kok gua takut ya?
May God forgive me for what I'm about to do. I also pray that you, Martha, will forgive me.
Kok musiknya serem? Waduh, sensor jangan nih. Apa dah? Musiknya kayak gini anjir. Waduh bro. Innalillahi. Aduh. Ini gore gak ya? Anjir, janin bro. The fuck? Berkepala berwajah dua anjir.
It was true. Martha was pregnant. Pregnant
Itu benar.
with a deformed fetus with two heads.
Martha hamil.
Twins again. They always said that
Hamil dengan
I was all the more shocked.
disabilitas
I was doing things that I
dua
had
kepala.
never done before. I do not know what
Kembar lagi.
moving me. I became unstoppable. I decided to photograph the horror as evidence to show my mother and to everyone. Who knows why?
Nah, foto.
Enough now. I will torture you no longer. I will come back to fix you, and I will stay and take care of you. We will spend so much time together. I love you, Martha.
Cuk, serem anjing.
Doctor, I must thank you for your help. I wouldn't know what to do without you. Even our own dear Don Attilio seems to not understand the situation.
Irene, please. Consider the idea of leaving Italy as your husband suggested. It would be better for everyone, especially for the girl.
I fear that nothing will make her better. Her father doesn't want to accept it. I believe that hope is long gone.
I agree, but in Germany there are better treatments in specialized clinics. The asylum is a temporary solution, just to ensure that she doesn't do anything foolish. But it's a nightmarish place. You know that all too well. You cannot possibly want this for your daughter.
Of course I don't. But what can I do? She is a danger to herself, to us, to everyone. One of Eric's guns has also disappeared. She must have taken it. Who else could it have been? I am so scared, Doctor. I cannot wait any longer. Also, you know what they think of Italians in Germany, don't you?
But you would be with Eric, an esteemed general. Everyone will respect you.
That cursed girl. Where could
Gadis
she be?
terkutuk.
Let's hope she doesn't play any more foolish stunts. I'll wait for her here, in the cellar. Sooner or later, she'll go to the dark room. That's for sure.
I would gladly stay and keep an eye on her, but I must rush to town to organize the last few things for her hospitalization.
Thank you, Doctor. Don't worry. We'll see you later.
Oke.
She's sleeping. I must take advantage of this.
Cuk,
I
ngeri,
will
cuk.
make her talk. She will reveal the truth out of fear. She thinks I can be silenced by calling me crazy. But unbeknownst to her, I will record everything. Everyone will know what you have done to your own daughter. I would make too much noise and wake her up.
Apa, cuk?
I would make too much noise and wake her up.
Kita deketin kah? Oh shit, man.
Now I will wake her up and she will confess. You can bet on it.
What are you
Ditembak.
doing, my daughter? Why do you want to ruin your life?
I'm sorry. It wasn't me who just shot Mummy. It wasn't me.
Sheesh. The fuck?
Dear God, what have I done? She forced me. She killed Martha. But who in the world will believe me now?
Siapa
They
yang
will
akan
take me to
mempercayaku
the mental
sekarang?
asylum. Those rolls of film are my only hope.
Roll film itulah. Penyelamatku. Serba salah, Cuk. Ibunya soalnya mau masukin dia ke rumah sakit juga.
So that's who had the keys to my childhood bedroom. I could have guessed.
The fuck?
My God, sooner or later more bombs will land here. Then everything will come to an end. Damn, the power is out. It's
Ya
impossible
ampun.
to develop that roll of film now.
I had forgotten our film dress. My happy room. Open my happy room. Nah, ini udah nggak bisa di develop, cu. Kita ke atas.
least now I finally have the keys to my old room. But why was it locked in the first place?
Kita ke ruangan ini dulu.
Finally, I can enter my room. It's like being a child all over again. I used to play with the puppets by reenacting what was happening in my life. To clear my mind. I want to do it again.
Gua harus memainkan boneka untuk mengetahui apa yang terjadi di hidup gua.
The legend of the White Lady. Otherwise, the scenes I was
Sensei tanpa perlu khawatir.
According to an ancient
Legend.
the lakes of the area are haunted by the spirit of a young woman who was
Oke,
killed by the
legenda
man
lah.
she loved. A love
Dia
that
terbunuh
was tryst by the lake. So
oleh pria yang
much
dicintai.
desire, but death, not love, was awaiting her.
Move. My love is not here yet. Look the mom.
Ah, what a
Beautiful moon tonight.
My love is
My love is not
here
yet here.
I'll wait.
Cintaku nggak ada di sini, aku harus menunggu.
You're here at last.
Lu di sini akhirnya. What's going on? Why are you?
So weird.
Apa yang terjadi? Kenapa kamu berlagak aneh? Bicara. I know you kiss another. Gua nggak melakukan itu. Gue cinta sama lu.
Never do that. I love you.
Kill.
I love you too much.
Gue terlalu mencintai lu berlebihan.
Another
The
drug
thought of you with
insane. That's
insane.
why
That's why I have to die.
What did I do to you?
Apa yang aku lakukan kepadamu?
In despair, the man confessed
In
that he
despair.
killed her out of jealousy.
Tidak menyangka membunuh. Dan dihukum gantung. Kita jadi apa nih? Riz? Eksekutor lah. Riz lu. Eksekutor. Dar. Dihukum gantung, Mac.
They searched everywhere.
It's everywhere, but the girl's body was never found.
Since
Signs then her spirit, no white lady, takes the life of young man and whenever it takes her back, it's sad day. Intinya mayatnya nggak ditemukan. Nggak, akhirnya seorang anak perempuan lahir dan bermain di sungai. White lady. Use WASD to move the puppet. Oh, ini nih hantunya White lady. tangkap. Apa tarik, grab intinya. Help me, tolong aku.
Now
Ah,
I
ini.
can begin.
Nah, sekarang aku yang memulai.
Let's clarify what happened the night before the cursed 16th of July.
Pertama harus klarifikasi apa yang terjadi pada 16 Juli. They say the war will be over soon. Mereka bilang perang akan berakhir sebentar lagi. Julia, Dad say we are losing. What will happen with you? Kita akan kalah, apa yang akan kita lakukan? They will take everything from us. Mereka akan mengambil apapun dari kita. Will we go to Germany? We will become poor. Mungkin kita akan pergi ke Jerman atau kita akan miskin.
Will we become poor?
I am afraid. Aku marah jika itu terjadi. Do you want to come with me to lake tomorrow? Did you see Lapo yesterday? Lapo. Apakah kamu melihat Lapo kemarin?
Yesterday.
Kenapa lu nanya? I saw him leave.
Weren't you there?
Burn, you there? Kamu di sana? Aku melihat dia meninggalkan Burn. Enggak. Do you want to come with me to the lake tomorrow? Apakah kamu mau ke danau bersama aku besok? I want to take some photos.
I want to take some photos.
Gua mau ngambil sebuah foto. What if mommy? Bagaimana jika ibu menemukan kita di luar atau keluar? Let's go at down. Mari kita turun. Ibu tidur. You know she's been taking that medicine. Lu tahu? Ayo kita ke bawah. Ibu tidur. Ibu tidur by the heavily. Pokoknya nggak tahu lah. Ibu tidur. You know? Kamu tahu akan mengambil obat. Dia akan mengambil obat.
Let's go at dawn. Mummy sleeps heavily anyway. You know she's been taking that medicine.
Lu tahu dia minum obat. Will you actually wake up at? Akankah kamu membangunkanku?
Wake me up.
Bangunkan aku, Julia. Shall we swap beds like we use where the kids? Harusnya kita bertukar kasur seperti yang kita lakukan sewaktu kecil.
Sure.
Boleh, ide bagus. Tidur.
Yes, it happened like
Ya.
this. In the
Selalu
morning,
terjadi seperti
Martha
ini.
went to the lake pretending to be me to show her pregnancy.
Di pagi hari
Knew
Marta
Mother was going to follow her down.
menunjuk arah kepadaku.
Now I can only guess what happened
Sekarang gue bisa
next.
tahu apa yang terjadi. Marta. Speak. Oh, ini setelah meninggal. What do you want from me?
What do you want from me?
Buka bajumu, aku ingin melihat.
Take off your clothes. I want to see your shame.
Shame apa tuh, gua gak tahu. No way.
No way!
Enggak lah, ngapain?
I'll take that dress off for you.
Gua yang akan menelanjangi kamu. Lamanya. So you're pregnant.
So you are pregnant.
Your sister. Adikmu atau kakakmu itu benar. Well, at least I had fun. Itu
Well, at
menyenangkan.
least I had fun.
Gua akan membalasmu
I'll punish you for this, whore.
untuk ini full. Try. I dare you.
Try. I dare you.
Dipukul. Dang,
Dung,
dang,
dung,
dang,
dung,
dang,
dung.
dang.
This might be exactly what happened. I will never know exactly what happened, but I think I have an idea. And after everything, I shot my mother. No,
No, I
no, I didn't
didn't.
shoot.
Gua nggak
What
menembak.
actually happened? It
Apa yang
is all in my
terjadi?
mind, but I can remember.
Ini semua dari pikiranku, tapi aku tidak mengingatnya. Aku tahu aku bisa. Ini emaknya.
A little arm,
Tangan kecil.
a small leg,
Kaki kecil.
and another little arm. Another small leg.
Kaki kecil lainnya. Waduh, kepalanya.
Only the head is left.
Psycho anjir. Dimasak kah manis? Take, ambil kain pel. Clean up. Julia. Yes, solve. Take Motherhead.
I was under the bridge.
Anjir.
It was just a game.
Tapi kan itu cuma game.
However, is not a game. I was just playing.
Gua hanya memainkan.
Just a bad joke. Under the bridge, the church, town. Speak. The white lady.
Take head. Ke bawah jembatan. Psycho anjir. Jadi apa yang terjadi di permainan itu jadi kenyataan. Kita mengubur ibu kita, guys. Oke. What's next? Apa cuk selanjutnya? Dark room kah?
The power is back. Now I can develop the role and have
Alhamdulillah.
questions answered.
Ini udah dibersihin. Kita ambil foto terakhir dulu di sini. Autofocus. Apa nih, hantu kah? Nge-crash anjing. Make sure your videos the minimum record. Nge-crash. Gak nge-crash kan? Streamnya masih jalan? Alhamdulillah streamnya masih jalan. Save gak ya? Sering nge-crash. Langsung aja lah develop lah anjing. Alhamdulillah di sini, cok. Panik dikit nggak ngaruh. angkat.
Oh dear God. So it's true. I killed my sister.
Gue yang
I did
membunuh
everything to hide
adek
the
gue.
truth. Then I killed my mother to rid myself of the guilt. But she was nasty and everything was her fault. God, what does that make me? I don't deserve to live a second longer. Maybe I will see her again and I can try and ask for her forgiveness. And if
Aduh.
there is nothing after death, at least I will be free from this suffering. I know it's not right, but I can't do this anymore.
Aduh, disergap tentara Jerman.
I fired instinctively at that soldier, hitting him right in the head, but it was not a good idea.
Kita
The
main cepat
objective didn't come alone.
membunuh soldier.
Others came in. I closed my eyes. I heard a lot of commotion and then felt a sharp pain in the stomach. They were kicking me while another tried in vain to convince himself
Dia
the
menendangku
soldier on the ground was still alive. They hit me in the ribs.
di bawah tapi tetap hidup. They hit me in the ribs. Dia
Breathe, and at the same time I felt the need
dia
to vomit.
menyakitiku di dada.
They were ordered to put me on a seat.
Gue nggak bisa
Clouding
bernapas.
up so tightly that I couldn't feel my hands or feet. On the seat next to me was my father.
Ayahnya.
Breathing, but he appeared to be unconscious. The guy in charge started asking me questions.
Asking me
Kept
question.
hitting me in the face and head with some kind of short cane.
Dia memukulku di kepala.
So violent, I thought my skull would crack open. All I could taste in my mouth was blood and broken teeth. I ran my
Disiksa
tongue across my teeth, thinking to
lidahku.
myself that I'd never be able to smile again. A frivolous thought, perhaps, but a painful one nonetheless. Part of my top lip was cut open and was hanging down. I foolishly tried to put it back in place using my tongue and lower lip. I threw up. They forced me to confess that
They
my
forced
father
me.
had been carrying out all kinds of activity within the German army. Of course, I didn't know anything about it, so I tried to explain. But those punches. I would have done whatever it took to stop them. Whatever it took.
Apa yang aku harus lakukan
Just
untuk
after I
menghentikan
told them what
semuanya?
I wanted to hear, the general said,
Aku hanya ingin mendengar.
Slaps and you sold out your
Alat coba itu slap and your soul out. Father you.
Then he
Ayahmu
ordered my
Jerman.
father executed.
Jadi,
It took less than a moment. He didn't even move.
ayahnya dieksekusi.
He
Bahkan
pointed
tidak bisa
to one
bergerak.
of the soldiers
He
and
pointed
then
out the
pointed to
soldiers
me.
and then he
My
pointed to
time
me.
had come.
My time had
They
come.
all left except for the soldier who had the unpleasant
Waktuku
task
datang.
of finishing me off. I wanted to die, but not like that.
Mereka mengecualikan, tentara itu mengecualikanku untuk mengakhiriku. Gua mati, tapi gua but not like that. Gua nggak mau mati seperti itu. Intinya gue ditodong senjata. Gua nggak bisa lihat senjatanya. Einstein.
He quickly cut the ropes and pushed me to the ground, saying out loud, "It's done. The
Ini
Germans
selesai.
have been dealt with." I was
Jerman
left
telah
on
mati.
the ground,
Was emotionless.
and I
Live
found
and I find it again. Apa nih? Jangan bilang tamat. Bad ending kah?
When I came around, I did not know what to do.
Ketika aku kembali, gua nggak tahu apa yang gua lakukan. Aku harus menyelesaikan. Semua telah mati. Sekarang gua sendirian. Tapi gue mendengarkan suara.
Provided the soldiers hadn't destroyed it, that is.
Print dulu. Nggak bisa, Cok. Oh ini kan tetap ngerekam tadi.
What are you doing with your father's gun? It's
Apa yang
dangerous.
kan?
Stop it.
Talk. Tell me everything now. Tell me what you
Oh,
have done.
dan
Okay.
calm down. Oh ini waktu membun-bun ibunya.
I found that strange
I found the strange now.
and I immediately realized that something was wrong. Something was
Sepertinya ada yang salah.
aside from your usual quirks. I came to check, but you weren't in your bedroom. You had spoken about the lake, and I got worried, so I called your
Gua mau
father.
nguping.
We went to see what was going on.
Lu pengen ke danau. Gua manggil ayah lu.
Underwear at the
Kita menemukan lu tanpa baju di situ.
nothing had happened, and you kept repeating things like that.
Lu bilang nggak apa yang terjadi di tempat itu.
Feel better, but you
Gua meluk lu untuk
for days. What did
supaya perasaan lu
You should
perasaan
tell
lu
me what's going on.
baik-baik
I'm
saja.
not going to that loony bin.
I would never have wanted this, but I'm afraid you will harm yourself further. You were really hurting yourself in front of the piano that night. What else could we do?
You
Apa yang harus
killed
kita
my sister,
lakukan?
and now you're afraid because I found
Lu
out.
bun-bun kakak
So you're
gue.
making up stories, aren't you? But I'm not falling for it this time.
What are you saying?
Apa yang lu kata? Apa yang lu bilang?
Please, no.
Kakak lu
I was not
tidak.
well. I didn't know what I was saying. So many years have passed. You were little then.
Sudah lama
I thought
mati
everyone had forgotten that nonsense.
dari waktu kecil.
Shut up. Don't
Diam.
speak. Don't
Ini-
say anything else.
Jangan bicara apapun.
What are you doing, my daughter?
Apa yang lu lakukan anakku?
Ruin your life.
Kenapa lu mau lari dari
It
hidup lu?
wasn't me who just shot Mummy. It wasn't me.
Itu bukan aku.
I didn't know who I was anymore.
Gua nggak tahu
Everything had
apa yang
fallen.
terjadi.
I was afraid of myself.
Gua takut pada diriku sendiri. Tuhan,
Terrible. I had always
It's
been
terrible.
convinced that
I had
was
always
too
been
good for myself, but then
for
I
myself.
had become
but
my
then-
own enemy. I was the danger. What should I
Gualah bahaya.
I thought
Apa
about
yang
the
har-
puppet theatre
Apa gua sudah
and
selesai?
there I could find something in myself, perhaps.
Gua harus menemukannya di puppet teater di kamar gue. Ntar lucu, cetak dulu. Jadi puppet teaternya nih ngeri-ngeri juga nih. Bisa mengungkapkan kebenaran dan apa yang terjadi. Gila sih. Cetak dulu lah. Nih map.
The print should be fine like this. You can see detail clearly.
Lagi-lagi. Kita cuci dulu foto semuanya. Baru kita ke atas.
I will return to you, Martha.
Lu akan
Together we will
kembali
sort out everything.
bersama lu, Martha.
You and I.
Cuma lu dan gue. Ada lagi nggak? Develop foto. Foto yang mana, Cuk? Ini udah. Ini. Kita cepetin aja, main cepet, main cepet. Ini udah. Sama gak sih? Ini apa? Oh, ini yang itu udah. Ini kah?
A photograph is both the present and the past, like a dead body. I don't know what I'm expecting. Maybe it's silly to think you can capture the soul of someone who has died. Her face can't tell me anything anymore. I know that, really. Her lack of expression scares me. I don't even know whether to keep this blank photo with me or just throw it away.
Udah. Leave their photo in the stream. Apa, Cuk? Print foto udah. Leave the photo near the stream. Oh, harus naik sepeda. Terus telepon ayahnya. Udah, kita keluar. Kita ke atas, Cok. Sudah kacau balau, guys ya. Oh, tas. Rumahnya digeruduk ya. Kita mainin puppet dulu.
Mummy nearly died giving birth to me. This is what remains in my memory of my mother's, nanny's, and father's stories. I remember little to nothing of my childhood at home. I have to try, though. Maybe the important events I should know are right there.
Oke, nyokapnya mati di tempat kelahirannya dia. Mungkin akan mengungkapkan sesuatu. How are you, madam? Apa kabarmu? Ini maknya.
I feel a sharp pain.
Gue merasakan sakit yang sangat tajam.
Do you need anything?
Lo perlu sesuatu?
I can feel it.
Gue gak bisa merasakannya. Waktunya akan datang. Open window. Ambil apa, anduk? Oke, semuanya sudah siap.
Everything is ready. Help!
Tolong, sepertinya ada yang salah. Eric,
Irene is
tolong.
not well.
Irene tidak baik-baik saja. Apa kabarmu,
How are
sayang?
you, honey?
I'm getting weaker and weaker.
Apa tuh weaker? Oh, butuh telepon. Dokter, cepat.
Irena is sick.
Irene sakit. Dokter.
Don't worry, Irene.
Jangan khawatir, Irene.
What you feel is natural.
Sakit yang lo rasakan itu natural. Dorong, Irene, dorong.
Okay, push.
Melahirkan. Cuk, mati cuk kalau enggak cuk. Waduh. Lahir.
The baby is born.
Anaknya terlahir. Bayinya terlahir.
Sick. I feel myself wasting away.
Gua merasakan sakit.
It's going to be okay.
Semua akan baik-baik saja.
Poor Mummy. She has suffered so much. I have hurt her so much ever since I was born.
Marta. Pet. Speak. Mommy, I'm hungry.
Mummy, I'm hungry.
Mama, aku lapar. Ma, gua aus.
Mummy, I'm thirsty.
You just had drink.
Why
Lu baru
not?
minum. Mommy, I'm sleepy. Gue ngantuk.
You can't sleep
Lo-
now.
Lu nggak bisa tidur sekarang. Gua
I have to.
pengen kencing. Gets enough. Go to your room.
That's enough.
Cukup.
Go to your room.
Masuk ke ruangan lo. Ambil balon. Ah, pecah.
How dare you? I will make you pay for that.
Gua akan membuat lu membayar ini semua.
My hands are not enough. You need to learn proper.
Tangan gua nggak cukup. Lu beruntung kali ini.
Mummy.
Sorry. Waduh, dipukul pakai apa nih?
It was an accident, Mummy. Please
Itu cuma pukul Marta. Dang. Anjir. Anjir. Emaknya ini baby blues anjir. Nggak siap punya anak.
This is just a game. Is it only a game?
Ini cuma game. Apa ini cuma game?
Said that my lost
I believe
memories
in them. I lost my
return.
body, I returned the place my happy. Aku percaya perkataan
The
itu.
place I have ever been.
It's really happy
These my memories.
memories. And is this actually my life? Apakah ini hidupku yang sebenarnya? Martha.
What's up? Did Julia
Did Julia make you cry? Oke. Apa Julia membuatmu menangis? Gua nggak melakukan apapun.
I have not done anything. Now I will make you cry.
Sekarang gua akan membuatmu menangis. Tampar. Pak.
You rude girl.
Gadis yang jahat.
Julia, play with your sister.
Julia main dengan Speak. Can we play party?
Can we play patty cake?
Alright, yes, oke. Kasian banget cu anak yang satunya. I love you, mommy.
I love you, Mummy.
Cry.
Stop making up these stories. Martha, don't you want to play with your sister?
Peter. Drink pits together.
What are you doing, Martha?
Apa yang lu lakukan, Martha? Speak.
You're only good for judging others, aren't you?
Sorry, mommy.
Sorry, Mummy.
Waduh. Ke kepala Martha. What are you
What are
doing?
you doing? Are you crazy?
It's all Martha fault. Itu kesalahan Martha
It's all
semuanya.
Martha's fault. I don't believe it.
Gua nggak percaya sama lu.
I saw
Gua
that.
melihatnya.
You think you're so smart.
Lu pikir lu pinter.
That's not true.
Itu nggak benar.
See me, liar, liar.
Liar.
To whom? Now let's see what happens to you. Come with me now.
Ikut gue sekarang.
with me. I will
Will
put
put you
in your
on
place,
place.
girl.
Waduh, dihukum. Sorry mommy,
Sorry,
I want to
Mummy.
do it.
I won't do it anymore.
Gue janji nggak melakukan itu lagi.
Too
Terlambat.
late. These false tears won't help you.
Air mata nggak bisa menolongmu.
Stay still.
Tetap diam. Pow. Tolong
Help!
anjingnya. Ambil anjingnya.
Now I'll make you want to bark.
Gue pengen bikin lu bark.
Leave my dog alone.
Tinggalkan anjingku sendiri. Bun-bun anjing.
Screaming, stupid girl. No, Mummy, please. You're insane.
Lu keterlaluan.
Sure.
Tentu.
Now I'll show you how insane I am.
Sekarang gua mau ngasih unjuk betapa keterlaluannya gue.
Help, Daddy, help.
Papa tolong.
Screaming
Berteriak
won't work. Your
akan
father's
membantu.
not here like you.
Bokap lu nggak ada di sini seperti biasa. Waduh, disuruh makan dong.
Eat it.
Makanlah. Tolak.
No. Eat.
Makan. Pal. Tolak.
I won't eat him.
Tampar.
I said eat.
Gua bilang makan. Makan. Psycho juga emaknya. Play the second puppet.
Remember, but I was so scared to remember too much, especially all at once. I didn't have time to guess exactly what happened. It was making me too upset. Pulling out those memories was like trying to pull out a tooth on your own. Almost impossible, and far too painful. The White Lady told me that the church is a safe place and home to its children. Don Attilio, my priest, I have to talk to him. I have to call him on the telephone.
Intinya si White Lady bilang gereja adalah tempat yang aman untuk anak-anak. Gua harus melepon seseorang. Don Antelio 6938. Enam 9 3 8.
Don Attilio speaking. Who is it?
Father,
Help.
help me. They're all dead. Daddy, Mummy, everyone.
Julia, come to me immediately. Don't stay alone. It's dangerous. Come to
Jangan
me.
sendirian, ini berbahaya.
You can stay here with me and we can talk about everything. Okay?
Datanglah ke kota, lu bisa stay dengan gue
Okay, Father.
dan ceritakan
but
semuanya.
First, I want to play with my puppets for a while.
Julia, don't be silly. Come to church right away.
Enggak, tunggu. Objektif update. Puppet teater lagi, guys. Hah? Take the bike, go to San Casiano. My puppet theater is the only thing left. Naik sepeda. Ah shit, gelap men. Jembatan kiri. Kanan. Kiri kanan. Loading. Warning, the following chapter contains scenes displaying self-harm. Some player may find the scene disturbing. Would you to view the censor version? Yes, karena kita live stream, kita
That's
sensor
the worst.
version.
They had all been killed and it was my fault. They were my age, and a few of them were our friends. I didn't think it would go like that, but wasn't it obvious, really? What was I actually expecting? I felt like a coward. But what could I have done? Should I have betrayed my father? I loved my father, but I also loved my friend Lapo. Which side was I on? I just listened to my heart. I thought it was the right thing to do. But instead, it was the worst thing I could have done.
Ke gereja. Anjir,
Once I
puppet semua.
crossed that threshold, I completely lost touch with reality. Everyone around me had died while I survived.
Semua orang yang mati ada di sekelilingku, tapi gua survive. Oh, surga. Anjir, putih semua, Cuk. Boneka semua.
I don't remember how things went. I just remember a big light and then photographs were being taken of me. There was a man dressed in white, a doctor, I presume. He was asking me questions, but I didn't understand what he was actually asking me. He wrote something on a piece of paper and then 2 nurses led me away.
Apa, Cuk?
I was in the mental asylum. Some women were talking to themselves.
Mental gua rumah sakit jiwa. Gua masuk rumah sakit jiwa karena penyakit mental. Ada wanita berbicara dengan wanita lain menangis. Somewhere confident.
One young woman who would pleasure herself all day long, incessantly.
The one young woman
when
pleasure her.
she would bleed. So they would tie her down to the bed screaming, cursing and talking gibberish for days on end. Once her wounds had healed and she was untied, she would just start again. That woman was me.
Wanita itu adalah gue
To give me injections.
yang
They gave
yang
me
memulai
my whole body shake. I broke my
Made my
vertebrae.
bergetar. I broke my.
I think
Gue yang
it was
mematahkan.
cardiazol or something.
Cardiac or something. Oh, penyakit.
Body was like a fire that didn't want to be put out. When it
Badan
appeared to be
gua
quenched, it would come back even stronger than before.
sadder
In
than
the
before.
end, though, they won.
In the end,
I stopped screaming and masturbating. I stopped thinking.
gue stop dan masturbasi. Stop dan gue berhenti memikirkan.
Something
There was
inside
longer
me
I need
died.
for therapy. Something inside
Nevertheless,
me
I
of
insisted on
bed
carrying
died.
along this painful journey.
Pickering full of painful of
Stronger than
journey.
I could ever have imagined.
Imagine. Oh, mulai paham gue. Setelah mencerna semuanya. Apa nih kursi? Aduh. Kita jadi boneka.
Who are you?
Siapa lu?
Wait.
Bentar.
wait. I want answers. Don't go away.
Gua mau menjawab, jangan pergi.
Talk to me about Martha.
Katakan padaku tentang Martha, tolong. Sebenarnya adalah I am Martha.
Julia.
Julia,
There's
there's no longer any difference.
I am both Martha and Julia.
Gua adalah keduanya.
It's us. So it's true. And
Jadi itu
Mother,
benar. Dan
is she
ibu,
alive?
apa dia hidup? She's
Mummy is
dead.
Nobody
Nobody knows.
knows better than I do. Unfortunately, it's useless to try and deceive ourselves. Did I do what I think I've done?
Apakah aku melakukan apa yang harus aku lakukan?
Yes, damn it.
Ya,
It really happened.
itu
I
terjadi.
cut her into pieces and buried her under the bridge.
Gua memotong dan menguburnya di bawah jembatan.
My God, I knew it. What about Daddy? The
The
soldier.
soldier beats.
Did that really
What happened? Apakah
He was
Itu
shot
terjadi.
right in front of me.
itu terjadi? Mereka menembak ayah.
I can't remove it.
Gua nggak bisa bergerak.
Relive it either.
Buat gua nggak bisa.
Unfortunately, I knew that already.
Sudah pasti, itu pasti terjadi. Aku sudah tahu itu pasti terjadi. Apa kabar tentang Neni? Nggak tahu karena dari awal nggak ngeliat Neni. Gua nggak melihat Neni.
What could have happened to her? Who knows where she is, the poor thing. I'm afraid to ask about Lapo.
Lapo dead.
is dead. He was blown up by a landmine. He got into trouble and paid with his life. My dear friend. Poor boy. Just as I remembered.
Itu yang gue ingat sebenarnya.
One last question.
Satu pertanyaan terakhir. Kehamilan. Karena dia Martha dan Julia, ya kita bilang.
But then I had a miscarriage. So much blood that morning, and my mind decided that things had gone differently. Who knows what else I was hiding? That's enough now. All of these questions are pointless, aren't they? It's all inside of us. We just need to turn the mirror.
Itu semua adalah dalam kita hanya butuh kaca.
Reflection of an unknowable existence.
Itu bukan hanya refleksi dari kaca,
More than a puppet show.
bukan lagi tentang puppet show.
Ready for everything with open arms, even ready to kill.
Siap buka tangan walaupun harus membun-bun.
Legs always ready to run.
Kaki selalu siap untuk berlari.
The womb that conceived in sin.
Aduh, gua nggak tahu nih artinya apa.
Lastly, the mind.
Terakhir, pikiran
Protect us, it has turned us into
untuk
monsters.
melindungi kita
Either way,
dari
we
monster.
cannot live like this.
Kita nggak bisa hidup seperti
I'll take care of it.
gua.
I don't need
Menjaga
to
semuanya.
worry.
Gua nggak
I'll
perlu
try
khawatir.
to sleep if I can. I've got this.
Gua mencoba tidur sebisa gua. Anjir. Stuck kah?
On the 26th of July, San Casciano was bombed.
26 Juli
Was destroyed.
di gereja
I was
dibom,
not there then.
tapi gue udah nggak di sana.
The asylum.
Gue udah di rumah sakit jiwa.
Once again, stubbornly. I was
Satu
not
kali
there.
lagi gue belum mati.
The bombs hadn't killed me and I had also survived my
Bom gak bisa membunuh gue, jadi gue survive.
third test and
The most
final
absurd
one.
test. Tes yang
The war
sangat
ended
absurd.
Some time ago now, both out there and inside of me.
Perang sampai
I was on the wrong side of the gate, but now I can.
gue ada di gerbang yang salah, tapi gue nggak bisa kembali
Life is
ke halaman
opening its
sebelumnya.
doors again, isn't it?
Hidup adalah pintu
I
yang
hadn't
terbuka.
been so lucky to survive myself.
Gue
I was
beruntung
thrown everything
survive diri gue sendiri.
We think that danger is all around us, ready to attack.
Kita selalu berpikir semua
Most
di segini berbahaya dan siap untuk
dangers are the ones that are inside of us.
attack apa ya, attack lah.
They grow without us realizing.
Dia tumbuh
They make
dengan
us suffer,
mereka
remain
suffer,
confused and
membuat kita
destroy our
kaget dan
self-respect. I would have wanted to ask for help.
gue pengen mencari
I was alone.
pertolongan, tapi
This is my story.
ini cerita gue.
Thank you for being here.
Terima kasih sudah di sini untuk mendengarkan gue.
Now I'm ready.
Sekarang gue siap untuk pergi.
How long will it take to get home?
Berapa lama untuk pulang ke rumah? Anjing. For today it's possible to also help even we are alone. Oke, untuk hari ini it's possible to ask for help. Tanyakan pertolongan dan menerimanya. Even if we are, walaupun kita sendiri, walaupun kita depresi, walaupun kita merasakan hidup nggak make sense. If you are, atau jika lu butuh seseorang untuk mengetahui struggle-nya, informasi, respect, kita resmi menamatkan Martha is Dead. Jadi ini game berat banget buat yang nggak paham, guys. Gila. Tentang seseorang yang memiliki kepribadian ganda. Gila sih. Gak bisa berkata-kata. Pantesan di awal game ini tadi tuh game ini bisa mengelabui pikiran dan mental si pemain. Jawabannya ya tadi di game ini tuh. Jadi si Julia dan Martha ini ternyata satu orang, punya kepribadian ganda. Dan si Julia merasa dia tersakiti terus. Oke, udah mulai paham. Oke. Martha ini alter egonya yang baik-baik aja, yang nyokapnya suka, semua orang suka lah. Si Julia ini selalu ditindas. Oke, gua paham. Dan di akhir game si developernya kasih tahu, pokoknya lu jangan pernah merasa sendirian. Kalau lu butuh pertolongan, cari orang-orang terdekat untuk bercerita. Bahkan tadi kan di akhir game, jika game ini membuatmu apalah, mentalmu berubah atau apa, hubungi kami di www apa gitu. Pokoknya tentang kesehatan mental. Gila. Respect developer Martha is Dead. Kita resmi menamatkan Martha is Dead. Gila, gua terkaget sih. Respect. Gak habis pikir gue, ternyata jalan ceritanya berat. Kita celebrate dulu. Kita skip lah. Gila, berat. Special thanks Martha is Dead, publisher Wire Production. 82%. Jadi gua nggak menamatkan 100%, guys. Respect. Oke guys, sampai sini dulu live streamnya. Thank you yang udah nemenin gua namatin game ini ya. Walaupun sempat terpending bertahun-tahun, berbulan-bulan, intinya kita harus menamatkan. Oke guys, and I see you in the next video. Ciao. Bye.